Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are doing an unboxing and first impressions of the Huawei P30 Pro in 2020. I labeled this video the Forbidden Fruit because I bet many of you are aware of the current relations between China and the US, as well as how Huawei has gotten put on the entity list by the US. So I have decided I wanted to try Huawei. They also just became the largest smartphone manufacturer in the world, and this is the last one with Google Play services on it. So we'll see what it's all about, and I'll compare it also to my Pixel 4 XL and camera quality and everything, and it should be an interesting video. So let's get started. If you haven't subscribed already, we are close to 500 subscribers, where we are going to be doing a giveaway of AirPod Pro as well as a Q&A, so stay tuned for that. Now let's see if I botched this unboxing as well. Seems to happen with many of them. And that wasn't too bad, but now. Okay, and there we have it there. So I don't know if this came from Amazon, so I don't know if it was repackaged or something, or it's just older packaging. Either way, let's get into it. Ooh, that's a cool color. Ooh, wow, that's a really cool color. Okay. Ooh, it feels really well built. Kind of like a Samsung. It feels somewhat similar to my S10. We'll put this over to the side for a second and see what else we get in the box. SIM tool ejector, which is nice. We will be putting a SIM into it. We get a nice clear case with it. You know, you always love to see that. I always like when they come with it looks like an extensive manual as well. But I always do like when they come with a nice case. It's a small thing, but keeps it protected, and you don't have to go on Amazon and buy one. This is the 40 watt, wow, this thing's huge, 40 watt fast charger. It's said to be pretty good. I'm gonna have to get a US converter for it, be able to do it, but looks very nice. Here is the charging cable for it. It is USB Type-C to USB Type-A. And then we have these USB Type-C earphones. They look really similar to the Apple ones that come in the box. It's kind of funny. But that's all we get in there. We could look at the manual real quick. I'll flip through it for you guys. It's in lots of languages. All right, now we'll come back to this. It looks like, yeah, there is a screen protector pre-applied to it, so very cool. And I can't get over this color. Oh man, that's awesome. Periscope lens. When I shook the Galaxy S20 Ultra, I could hear the periscope lens going inside, but I can't on the Huawei P30 Pro. We do have juice. EMUI, and I'll probably have to update it to EMUI 10. Let's get started. All right, Huawei, you can have my life apparently. We'll skip that just for now. And then I'll come back to you guys when they are set up. Okay, we'll come back with it basically getting set up still, but I got to use a little bit, and it's very smooth. It's gonna be a different UI experience, so we are gonna update it to Android 10 almost right away so we can get the best experience possible. From my little feel, the haptic engine didn't feel as good as some others, but nevertheless, it's still a nice phone. Very well built, I have to say that. I wanted to get this phone because of the battery. I want to test the camera. You'll see a camera comparison with my Pixel 4 XL, as well as just to try the EMUI and Huawei experience. So thank you all so much for watching. Let me know what you think. Should I have eaten the forbidden fruit or not? Stay tuned for more of these videos coming up, and peace.